What's up guys, Trevor here. In today's video, we'll be going over this website called Recovery for Athletes, some of the good components that they're doing right on their website and some bad components and how you can implement the good components to your website to overall boost your trust and also boost your conversion rate for your website. So first of all, the website name is Recovery for Athletes. This is a high-ticket dropshipping store centralized around the athlete gym niche. So we have athletic recovery, fitness equipment, supplements, nutrients, massage, chairs, saunas, apparel, spring sale. So first of all, first thing that you see from the top is this spring sale. So whenever you click this spring sale, it brings you to a collection page going over sales. So personally, I don't think there's anything discounted here, but you can see that all of these say the little percentage off. Even though they could be lying about the sale, it's still, for most people, they probably think this is like a percentage off. Next, once they're on this collection, you can see the header right here changes from a spring sale to like a finance option. So when you click learn more, it goes over the finance option. So this is excellent. I would definitely implement this onto your website. Recovery for Athletes cashback rewards. So this is like a reward system. So join now. You have to create an account, and this way you can capture their email and password. Obviously, the password doesn't matter, but the email, they will be automatically subscribed if they sign up for the cashback rewards program, which is essentially you earn 1 point for every dollar you spend, and they probably just get like a rebate or some sort. Pretty cool. Instead of giving out a discount code, which they probably do, but this is something on top. So implementing some sort of header, buy now, finance your purchase with 0% up to 24 months. Super smart. Definitely have to add this to some of my stores. Next, on the collection page, you can see they have filters. So obviously the best selling filters here, they have the little grids to change the view. And then over here, they have brand filters, which is super easy to do. All you really need to do is add the vendor name for all the products. Product type, this is just the type of product. And by the way, this store does over 7 figures every single month with. And if you want also just a free website optimization guide, just comment website optimization under this video and I'll send you that guide so you can get started from changing your website from complete novice to something that looks pretty decent. So comment that word if you want that free guide. Rating over here, this is just based on reviews, if there are any reviews. And then there's other ones, roller track type, capacity. These are all used, or they're all enabled by using tags. Tags inside Shopify just essentially, like, you can tag it whatever, low, near zero, or ultra low, and then you can create this filter, and then you can click these filters to find the actual items that fit those filters. So creating these filters are definitely something you want to do long term because it makes it a lot easier for someone to actually find what they're looking for. And if you can help someone find what they're looking for, they're more likely to convert. And that's why the search bar is also super important. They're using, I don't know what search they're using, but it looks like cloud search, which is another popular option, but displays products, view all products, and then it also popular suggestions and categories. So super cool search bar. Definitely recommend some sort of app. I use cloud search, which has the same functionality as what they are kind of using. So the search bar goes to the different categories, and essentially these are collection pages, and then they always have like this cashback reward section on any single page. That's a collection. They also enable on product pages, so they're really promoting the cashback rewards, which ultimately helps get more email signups. So it's a really clever way to, boost rewards, but also get more email signups, because more email signups, people will see your offer, and more people are actually gonna convert and buy something from the store. So definitely implement something like that on your store. Next, back to the homepage. So we have our story section, talks about the brand. Definitely people like to see people, so real people images here. Definitely good for the brand, and I highly recommend you, if you're not scared to put yourself on public, put a picture of yourself here. Our athletes, so these could be people that bought from the store, so most likely these are all the customers that they have. Super smart and super useful. Why buy from us? So just a very unique selling point page that just goes over the store and why they should buy from us. Essentially free shipping, you offer that too. We always put our customers first. Not something you can't do either, so I recommend you doing that as well. Okay, next up is going to be reviews. So if you click on reviews, it takes them to all the reviews on the website. So some of them have images, or I guess most of them don't have images, but these are reviews for the site, product reviews. There's no any images, so they could actually improve by getting actual customer images and displaying it on this review page. So definitely something they could do there. And reviews are very powerful, but text reviews, they can be easily faked. Image reviews with real people, like real customers having the product and they sending you a image of the product being received or being set up, that's really the best type of review. Those are called UGCs, so user generated content reviews. Heavily recommend that you do it. Contact us page, super simple, nothing too fancy. FAQ, yeah, you should always have some sort of FAQ. B2B sales, so this is just a B2B program, nothing official, but they just have a contact us page if they want to buy some of these brands in bulk. Recovery rooms, so it seems like, what is this? Recovery rooms over the past few years. So it looks like they're just partnered up with recovery rooms services across the US, and it's just connecting the two services. So not too sure what they're doing exactly with recovery rooms, because not really in the gym industry, but probably they're doing it for some reason to make money, obviously, but not sure how it's really being monetized. Next is going to be the rewards program. Essentially, this is just the points. You sign up, you get the email, and then you can get discounts, how to use the rewards, and then each dollar is each 1 point, and then you can get these for like coupons off future purchases. Super smart, great way to boost returning customers. My account, super simple. Next, on Recovery for Athletes, they have the text right here. I recommend you post your hours, email, and phone number, just like they done, and then all their social media platforms. Nothing really needs to go there. These category pages from the main menu, they're very easily laid out for someone to find what they're looking for. So I recommend Buddha Mega Menu, kind of does the same thing, and essentially it makes it easy for people to find what they're looking for. So besides the home page, everything looks good. Obviously, this is an image right here, just takes them to a collection page of deals, bestsellers, just these super simple graphics. You can make these inside Canva of the products. They can click on it and then takes them to the collection page. Learning Center, so these are blog articles, and then even some products they recommend inside the blog. So Learning Center is just blogs, and then they have some sort of club. This is something gym related, not too sure what it is, but real reviews from customers. Down here, super simple, nothing really too complicated down here. It's just really why buy from us, just FAQ resources and stuff like that. Now on the product page, let's go to the product page of a product. We can see that here's the product page. It's very simple. The brand name, this is clickable to take them to the brand name or the brand collection page. Next, they have a sale, super easy to do as well. Affirm, which is the financing option that they're using. If you click learn more, they're partnering with Affirm. And then some USPs like number 1 ranked best recovery product. You can do this very easily by creating a page theme and then applying it to whatever product you want it to display on. Would you like to add any wraps? This is just a simple, looks like an upsell of some sort. And then you can use SC bold product options to kind of add this as well. add to cart and accelerate checkout. I recommend just having one add to cart button, but this can work as well. But I just prefer one add to cart, make it nice and simple. Frequently bought together, yeah, this can definitely help, but as long as the offers are actually targeted, which seems like they are, then these will convert really well, because Amazon does these as well. Images, nice and simple. Descriptions takes up the full width, and it's like features, image here, and then the text here. So it's just rotating images and text to make it seem a little bit not just boring. So reviews down here. Product page is nothing super crazy that you can't do yourself, but I do like the elements like the cashback rewards, the thing up here. Now they're using Tidio for their live chat, so nothing wrong with Tidio. Excellent live chat tool. And with that being said, they have a brand section. This is all their brands. Excellent way for someone to find the brands that they want to buy from, and they have a lot of brands. They're kind of into the medical stuff now as well. Spring Sale, Learning Center, which is just their blogs, comparison sites, and then apparel. So they're probably just selling some merch of some sort. And not sure why it's not loading. Yep, exactly as I anticipated. These are, print on demand merch. These are definitely drop shipped or print on demand. So nothing too complicated for the merch. If you wanted to have merch, I don't know how many sales they sell of their merch, but for someone really advocate about fitness stuff and they like recovery for athletes, they would buy the merch. So pretty cool. Something you can do as well. Now on the actual add to cart page, when you click add to cart, it's actually just a floating add to cart. So it just says added to cart, and then you can view the cart or checkout. So the add to cart page actually could be a little bit better, but I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I do like that they changed it from, like, I know on default Shopify it says tax calculated at checkout, but they just changed the free shipping on most orders in lower 48 states. And then yeah, that's really it for the add to cart. The page just didn't load for some reason, but they do have this accelerated checkout down here in a firm right here, so definitely looks a lot better. Checkout now, you can see regular Shopify checkout, nothing too complicated. I would change this from pay now, the language. You can change it from pay now to order now, because pay now seems a little bit more just like you're giving them money. Order now just seems more just like placing an order like on Amazon. So something they could improve there. But the rest of the site looks pretty amazing. Everything's pretty spot on as what they probably are doing, at 7 figures per month. So that's really it for recovery for athletes. Just take all the good elements from their website and implement it on yours, because it's a really good website in terms of design, functionality, and features. With that being said, hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to work with myself and my business partner Marcus one-on-one to build your own high-tech e-commerce store from 0 to 10K month profit, there's a link down below to apply for coaching. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.